David's right. There's no way out of here. Wait, what if war's right out there? We need some sort of diversion. Not it.
Seriously!
Game over. Ow! Taking these. That's a no-no. What? No. Message robot-y. Yeah. You did it, David. The others are all searching for a way out. We've got to do our part too. I mean, how many classrooms can there be?
Let me count! 1, 2...
Shut it.
That fortress has got to be our way out.
How the matchstick factory are we ever gonna get up like there?
We could zoom up this inverted waterfall. You two could carry me across once we reach the top, but we can't breathe in the water.
We can't, but maybe Match can.
You did not just do that.
Like, I might try it again.
No!
But why, Lai?
I don't know. Bored, I guess.
OMG, stop!
If only you could breathe in water, Match.
Maybe she can. Wanna try again?
No!
I think Lai's right, though. That fortress has gotta have something important in it. We gotta get over there.
I don't have a favorite direction, I really don't.
Sometimes I don't even know what language we're speaking. Whoa, are we just going in circles? I don't even... Which way do we come from?
Probably your favorite. Wait, what are you doing? I'm following her after that nonsense.
Sounds good to me. Hope the teams with useful people are having better luck.
No leaving this class. It's eternal algebra class with 4. No temporary. You signed up for it. Eternal. So get cozy in here and bye-bye to your stack. Quiet you. Now for a combo nobody's gonna guess. 4. Yay. This might take a while.
Years of this. Even the TLC was better than this.
Yeah,
That's the dream.
TLC sounds awesome.
Quiet! We're going for it. If we die, we die. Hold your breath. Wait, Stapy, your staples are hurting my leg
Finally!
Hug.
We gotta get her. Thanks, Stapy.
I'm sorry.
Fi, Nali! No more knocking off. I know you like to hinder your own team, Stapy, but that was too far.
Wait, no. It wasn't on purpose. It never was. I swear.
Just no more tricks and traps, okay, Stapy? We have to be serious now.
I mean, this is a castle. You don't think there'll be a trap or two in there?
Shh! That stuff's just in the movies. Now mush!
Ooh, let's gear up in case 4 comes back.
Told you.
Awesome, but not an exit. One number is enough for now.
Hey!
Let's just pretend we didn't see that man. Just more and more and more classes. Still no exit in here.
The heck? Was that David?
Guys, I don't know what we do anymore.
We just keep searching, Pencil!
We've been opening doors and searching for 4 years. I think we're trapped forever, Bracelety.
Stuck in For's mouth forever? No!
For's mouth. That exit is still there. I think we have to try that again. That looks to be our only way out of here.
But our stack! It wasn't high enough!
And now it's gone entirely. I deleted it. No! Guys, I don't know if anyone can hear me, but our stack, unless you guys found something, I think it's our only way out. Guys, bring back anything you can find. Our stack's gone, so anything you get, we'll add to our new one. We don't have much time, so go! Hurry! We have to escape! Get lost, Ricky! You okay? Bing's all done, but you're all here for eternal algebra. So this is the place for you, forever. You guys got to the count of 4. 1. No fair, that was mid-count. Good, he's down. Come on, guys, we need things for our stack. Later then. Maybe those other miscreants will be easier. Found you.
Good idea, Dora. We can take these trees for the stack.
Go, Dora!
She's always been my favorite.
Can anything ever go right for us?
Guys, 4 got me.
Ow!
Ow, fire.
Ow. Owie. Ow. Oh.
That should be homework time. Great finds, David. We can take the set apart and add it to... Wait! 4 must have found some of the others. People! Take your seats. The show is about to begin. This is weird, but I wanna see. David, take the theater apart for our stash. Bracelety will distract 4 with a show.
Places, people! What now?
Huh?
Stapy, you're like a hero!
Well, I mean, it wasn't all him.
How do you think we get out of here?
Do you think it has anything to do with that suspicious set of keys?
Yoink! My keys now!
Max,
Wait, it's
what are you
probably
thinking?
a trap.
O.M. Whoopsicles!
Guys, what are we gonna do?
What are you all doing?
So rude! We're performing, so take a seat! Yeah, she, was so surprised!
Really?
It wasn't very big, but, Ice Cube went crazy! So, here's all the fun facts about Ice Cube that I can think of! She's
You're
funny,
going off script.
and
I mean,
she's
whatever.
great.
Just keep 4 busy.
Use every digit of pi that I know! 1! Ice Cube! David!
Ice Cube is funny. This play is full of surprises. Great haul, David. Good thinking, David. We can hide all our stuff in here.
All I know is that if Ice Cube went bald, then so would I!
Okay, show's over. Then back to...
Shut it!
We've got some other classes on today. Unless you think you're not a good student yourself, for... Well, I'm still probably better than you bozos. It's time for culinary class. Fine. But then back to algebra.
Push, match, push!
But it's like break time.
Enough! Help us!
How am I gonna sleep now?
Stop!
No!
Climb, climb!
I don't know, guys. Oh no!
Rest in like
case, Stapy. You would have loved escaping the exit.
Guys, help me out, please.
Stapy, you can force those walls out. I know it. You have to
I
believe in
just
yourself.
don't want to get even more stuck is all.
Stapy, you've got this. Go, go, go!
Good job, Stapy.
I kind of thought you're gonna die, but good job. Come on up, Stapy.
Forget about that. I must have broken the mechanism, because there's a door with a lock on it over here.
I can't ignore a secret door.
We did it.
Bingo.
What was that? Food fight! Oh, I guess time's up. You don't have a cake, so you fail for...
Bad student, I guess!
Whatever. Next class, then. Okay, race to the end and back. Go!
A plus for me! Wow, Ford! You really keep failing, huh?
Whatever, just next class already!
Ouch! Ooh! Ow! Ooh! Ow! Ooh! Finally, enough of that nonsense.
We've been bounced back to the start. I can see the school. We can head back now.
But we don't have anything for the stack.
I don't know, guys. I'll extinguish down there. I'll be on lookout and stop 4 if he comes back.
So many locked doors.
OMG! That must be what all these keys are for. Armor! I so totally knew it. Let's search all these cells for more and more for our stack. OMG, that was so fun. Guess that's all of them.
Matchy, one more.
Nothing. They can't all be winners. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
I don't want to jinx it, but I think we're actually going to escape.
It's a close one, but Bracelety's painting just has more soul for... I'll show you soul! Time to show your school spirit, go!
Yahoo! That one's for Ice Cube!
Whatever, I can come back from this. Actually, your goal is gone for, meaning Bracelety wins. F- to 4, of course. What? All your classes fail.
I don't want to jinx it, but I think we're actually going to escape.
Your classes wasting my time. Those other reckless students mean you go detention. Sing a sound.
Can the next one be Ice Cube class?
As long as we don't study her. Ugly face. Wait, Bracely, quick, to David's stash. Hurry, hurry. Are you escaping? Nope, not 10.
Wait! It's 4! Oh no! I gotta warn the others! Dora! April! 4! He's coming! Run, run, run!
Yippee! That ugly number is here.
Hand back your contraband and hand yourselves back to algebra.
You're not getting in our way, 4.
Summer's over. Back to school.
Check out my power 4.
How can you be grumpy? 6 years is a blink of an eye. It's not eternity. More shenanigans. No gold star for you.
He's gone. Grab the stash. We gotta get to his mouth. Go, go.
Great work, team. Let's escape this alien's mouth already. Let's go. Super fast.
Come up already! Guys, he's coming! There he is! Fine! Guys, remember when I said I'd stop 4? I did it! Guys, 4 is in the water!
Help!
You're okay. What is that? Yeah! What? Since when did we get so high up? I can't jump. I'll fall in the water. Guys, what do we do?
We might not escape, but we can help the others. Dora, let's take the ship down. You guys are okay.
Grr, the ship is burnt. We don't have anything for our...
Good work, Dora. I knew you were my favorite.
Fine. Congrats, Dora. You're amazing.
I see Pence! Yay!
Go, go, go! Where's Robody?
Don't worry about him. He is useless.
We gotta restart! Stack, stack, stack!
Pence!
Time to hug later. Everyone stack now.
Help wanted for a substitute teacher. They survived. Even the junior. Unacceptable! Get back here, lickety split!
Phew, all in one piece.
Out on time!
Quick, Dora! Push! Push! Oh no! We've lost half our stuff!
These 4 years have been the worst ever! You chose your fate! You agreed to eternal algebra as the BFBers you are! So say bye-bye to this monstrosity of a sash and hello to algebra for a long...
This is all we have! 4 destroyed all the rest!
Great excuse!
This is it. This is everything.
Yeah, we're slightly off again!
No! I can't lick through this again! I can't be here for any longer! 4 years separated from Pencil, no Bubble, or Ruby, no!
Wait! Everyone, jump, jump, jump!
Wretched robot! Stop! No! You're staying here, little one!
Hey, 4! You suck!
Yeah!
Whoa! Has it been eternity already? How was algebra, guys?
Nope. You'll go back in expeditiously.
Hey, what's happening here?
Please
another
be nice
one
to
of
us.
them.
I've been trapped in there for 6 years.
6 years? That's us combined for. Let them down.
But they're meant to do math forever. 6 years and there is not forever. That's a no-no.
I think I have a solution that will make everyone happy. Come with me, guys. Clock handled the dinner shift, and now that he's gone, we could really all use the extra help around here. Thanks, guys.
Seriously? Some people were glued on the hotel for a while, so they're extra hungry lately. So get cracking. This is not any better.
Numbers are all morons!
Stuck! Like, again! Wall's closing in again! Oh no!
Hey, we've got you, Match. We'll figure this out.
If anyone is joining, it should be me!
Let's just, get out of here before we talk about stuff like that!
We busted those cells open today. We're getting out of this one too. Everyone, let's smash!
According to Gelatin's BFB, those exiters have been trapped in there for years! I must save them! Boom!
What? Whatever.
Anyways, guys, I'm here to save you! Anyone need saving? Oh, more of these guys, huh? Is anyone here? Hello? What? It's hard to save the day if no one needs saving! Come out here! Anyone, show yourself! Hurry